Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey little bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and then we're going to get into this unit. The unit I will be reviewing is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. As you can see right here, I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this unit is a body wave unit, and it is 24 inches long, honey. Yes, girl, I said 24 inches, honey. Okay, so if you are interested in more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, so I am obviously finished styling this wig. If you are interested in any detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so let me give you a quick little disclaimer, honey. If my lighting seems off, if anything seems a little weird, it's because at the last minute, I decided that I wanted to use a different lens, okay? Because I really felt like one of my lenses is more close up and it's better for makeup type videos. But this is my factory lens that came with my camera, and I feel like it is better when it comes to just letting you guys see the whole wig, especially with a longer unit like the one I am wearing. So I did that, but I didn't take into account that how it would affect my lights and all that. So if things look a little crazy, a little weird, a little off, that's why, okay? Now we can get into this wig. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their UNice Hair Pre-Plucked Virgin Hair Body Wave HD Lace Closure Wig. I think, honey, okay, I think. Honestly, all I know is that they told me they was going to send me a 5x5 lace closure HD wig, a body wave one. So I went on their site and found it. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the same one. I don't actually know, but you know, I'm speculating, okay? I'm speculating. Okay, so it says it's a 5x5 lace. Now they have on here that the density is 200%, and I concur, okay? If this unit is 180%, I would be really, really shocked. They didn't give me a density. They didn't tell me what density they would be sending me. But 200 sounds about right, honey, okay? It sounds about right. And I'm going to show you guys that later on. It says hair part, free part. And this unit is available in 16 to 28 inches. Now, I do have 24 inches. I actually had the company send me 2 different wigs. And both of them I requested in 24 inches, honey. I'm trying to bring you guys the length, honey, okay? It's winter, honey. I don't want my neck out for real right now, okay? I need a little length right now, okay? So I am bringing you guys some inches, okay? Okay, so this unit, I'm trying to see if they have any more details and specs and stuff about this wig. Yeah, only thing I see on here, it says UNice 5x5 lace closure human hair wig. It says invisible transparent HD lace wig, Brazilian body wave glueless wig. Now, as far as it being glueless, I always associate a unit being glueless with the little elastic band thing. You guys know what I'm talking about? I always associate that with the glueless wigs. Now, granted, this is a closure wig, so I do feel like you can get away with wearing certain closure wigs without that little band, just depending on how it fits you. Personally, I do feel like I could get away with wearing this particular wig without the little glueless band. I mean, without the little elastic band, and I wouldn't have to use any spray, any adhesive whatsoever, because I do feel like it fits me pretty good. I do feel like this unit is an average cap size, and I don't see where you can get it in any other cap size. And I feel like the average fits me really good. Like, in my opinion, it fits really, really well. So yeah, that's that. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like if you have a bigger head, you can make it work, because I do have my straps adjusted. Now, as far as it being super small head friendly, I think you can obviously wear it if you have a smaller head. You would definitely just need to use some adhesive. You won't be able to wear it glueless. So that's how I feel about that, honey. Now, okay, I know you guys can see my wig cap, and that was because your girl didn't feel like doing the ball cap method. I just did not. She did. Now, with these type of wigs, this is HD lace, so it is like your cap will be way more noticeable than normal. So if you know that's like a thing for you, then honey, either you need to do the ball cap method or don't wear a wig cap whatsoever, in my opinion, girl. Okay, that's my opinion with that. And yeah, now as far as them saying that it was pre-plucked, I did personally feel like the hairline was pretty dense. So I did tweeze it, as I showed you guys. I hope, honey, you know, somewhere before this you guys saw me tweeze this unit. I did tweeze it, and this is about how much hair that I tweezed. Sorry, it's lace and everything in it, but this is about how much hair I tweezed out of the front. It was really relatively easy to tweeze. I know tweezing can be one of those things where it's like, but this unit was pretty easy to tweeze. And okay, yeah, and as far as it being like a 5x5, so you can part this unit on the right side, the middle, or the left side, depending on you where you want to part it. You can do it. So it is a free part. You can part it elsewhere, and you also can, if you want to, wear it in a half up, half down style, you just have to get this hair right here and make sure that your tracks are covered, girl, because you ain't trying to be out here in these streets looking crazy. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this wig. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Hold on, child, get it together. This is all the hair brought to the front on me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". Come on, little dress, you wanna just fall over. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Okay, so that is pretty much everything as far as details and specs go. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit and whatever products or whatever I did to this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, honey, so I ain't gonna even hold you, sis. I love this wig. I think it is an entire look. This is like just giving me some good, this will be some good New Year's hair, honey. This can be some good Christmas hair. Like, it's giving me glamour, and that's because I did add the extra curls or whatever. So it is giving me that kind of Beyonce, Mariah Carey, wind blowing with a fan type of vibe. But if you don't want to, you don't have to add those extra curls, and you can just wear it straight out of the packaging, because the waves, honey, you could have got sick in them waves, girl, okay? I do have a tendency to curl all of my body wave wigs. That's not something that you have to do. If you don't like to put in that extra work, girl, you don't have to. That is just a me thing. It don't have to be a you thing, okay? So that is just like what I like to do to all of my body wave wigs. I just always feel like they need to look girl hoodie, okay? But that's not something that you necessarily have to do whatsoever. Yeah, this is definitely like my type of hair. I love this unit. I literally have no issues with this wig whatsoever. I literally love how the waves look straight out of the packaging, and I love how it looks curled up. And you can make the curls tighter if you want to. Obviously, I just curled this unit. Like, I literally have done all of this just like right now, so in a matter of hours. So I didn't leave it pin curled very long because I didn't want a very tight curl with this unit. Like, I wanted to have that, you know, type of loose, wavy type of just, you know, diva type of vibe, honey. That's just what your girl was giving, honey. That's just what she was feeling today. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I did. I did cut some layers just to kind of frame around my face a little bit, you know, to, you know, to frame a doggone face, girl. So I did cut it a little bit just in this general area right here. And I did cut just these two baby hairs right here on the side. Like, I didn't want to do a whole lot. I didn't want to do too much. And as I stated, I did tweeze the hairline some because, honey, she was giving me thick, girl. Okay, she was giving me dense. Okay, so I did do that as well. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. But I am definitely feeling her. I am not mad at the finished results. And because it is a closure wig, you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I'm a closure girl, honey. Okay, your girl loves a good closure. So I definitely love that it's a closure, because to me that means it's easier. Like, these type of units I definitely gravitate more towards, because it's just easy for me to throw it on. Even if I'm going like on a date night with my husband, I don't want to have to spend hours. Honey, it already take me a long time to do my makeup. Now, I ain't trying to spend forever trying to do my hair on top of that. So these type of units just are really, really easy and great for me, especially great for women that work, great for women who have kids, great for women that are married. You want to be cute, you want to be glamorous, you want to be all those good things without having to spend all of that time. So honey, I get you, girl. These are your type of wigs. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm loving it. It's a vibe. No complaints here. Shout out to you, UNice. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling this unit. I love this wig. It's a look, honey. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you like her? Let me know down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.